Hi friends, so this is TT Rao. Many of the students in the chat box they are asking me how to write prime numbers. Prime numbers you know very well. So the first letter is prime P. If you take the mirror image of P, you will get reverse 2 you will get. So prime numbers always begin with a letter with the number 2. Okay, that fact you have to remember. First point. Basically, we have prime numbers 2, 3, 5, 7. You know, the latest definition is a prime number has only two factors. We studied from lower classes. Prime number means a number has as a factor one and itself that we know. But you can know this way also. Prime numbers means a number which has only two factors maximum. So that is called prime number. Example, 2 means 1 and 2. 3 means 1 comma 3. 5 means 1 comma 5. 7 means 1 comma 7. So this is the third point. Now how to write prime numbers from 1 to 100. So this is the only logic I have developed. You never see anywhere, any book, anywhere you won't find. This is the logic I only created on my own while I was preparing for the bank exam. Okay. So already cracked the bank exams 2-3 times. Now let us, I'll just help you how easily you can find out the prime numbers, especially below 10th class, up to 10th class, all the students require mostly. I'll tell you, we have Eratosthenes method we have, that is a 1 to 100 in a tabular form you have to write, crossing out even numbers and other than to crossing out so composite numbers. That method is there, but other than that this is the best way. So as a families you have to do. Okay, I am writing into 3 families. Okay, so first one you have to write 10, 20 and 30. Next, 10 plus 30 is equal to 40. That way also you can remember. So next, otherwise 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, then 70, 80, 90. Because the first starting numbers I am not writing. 2, 3, 5, 7 already we know it. So these 4 numbers I am not writing. Because you know very well 2, 3, 5, 7 are the prime numbers. Only problem begins while you are learning 2-digit number prime numbers. So you see 3 families I have divided. Okay. That is 10, 40, 70 and 20, 50, 80 and 30, 60, 90. So if you start from 10, 10 plus 30, 40, 40 plus 30, 70. Similarly here also you will get it. Anyway, otherwise you follow this way. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70 and up to 90 you can write. Now after writing this way, you have to mostly all the prime numbers will end by 1379. Most of the prime numbers end by 1379 mostly. A few numbers only 5. One number will end with 5, that is only single digit. I will write all the numbers. So these numbers will end with the digits 1 comma 1379. Okay, only all the numbers. So now if you want to start with 10, so 11, 13, 17, 19. Okay, all the 4 numbers are prime numbers. Next with 40 let us start. 10 I have completed. Now I will start with 40. 41, 43, 47, 49. Next 70 if I begin 71, 73, 77, 79. So there is a small drawback here, only here and with 90. Here this is 49 is a very famous number which is a perfect square. So 49 you have to strike out. Next, 77 also a very popular one because 7 has more than 2 factors. So this also you have to strike out. And the rest of all the numbers are prime numbers only. Next, if you see next family, so only these numbers will 3 comma 9 only. So 20 and 50, 80. Like you have to write 23, 29 and 53, 59. and 83, 89. Okay, with this we will get 6 numbers. Okay, sorry. So 6 numbers will get. And the next one here we will begin with 1 comma 7. These numbers will begin with 1 comma 7. Here 1 comma 7, like 31, 37, 61, 67 and 91, 97. Here also one drawback is there. Of course, for any theory, whatever the theory invented by many famous scientists also, they have some remarks. Like that here also. So what I developed is also small drawback is there here. Drawback means you have to eliminate 91 comes in 7 table. So only 3 numbers that are not prime numbers, but rest of all the numbers are prime. If you count here, you will get so 3 4s are 12. 12 minus 2 is equal to 10. Here you will get 10 prime numbers. Here 6 prime numbers. Here 4 plus 1 5 prime numbers. So here 6 plus already 4 numbers are there. 10. 10 plus 10 20 plus 5 25. So from 1 to 100 there are 25 prime numbers are there. Okay, from 1 to 100 how to remember 25 prime numbers, so that also I made a video, but let me tell you here. 1 to 50, okay, strike out the last number and combine these digits. You will get 50. 1 to 50 there are 15 prime numbers. And from 50 to 100, okay, 50 to 100 how many numbers will be there? 50 to 100 only 50 numbers only there. Okay, 50 to 100 only 50 numbers only there. So again strike the number. You have 50 which is not possible, 50 numbers won't be there, and if you have 10 numbers also not possible. Okay, and if you combine these two, 5010, those numbers also not possible. Sorry, if you have 50 or 5010 or 10, so only 10 only possible, not 50 numbers, not 5010 numbers, only 10 numbers. If you combine these two, you will get totally 25 prime numbers. So from 1 to 100 there are 25 prime numbers are possible. So this is the one way. Okay, so easily you can remember. Now if 25 are prime numbers, out of 100 25 are prime numbers, 75 are non-prime numbers. So out of 75, 1 is the only number which is neither prime nor composite. Okay, 74 are called composite. 74 numbers are composite numbers and 25 are prime numbers, and 1 is the neither prime nor composite. So 74 plus 1 75, and these 25 numbers altogether 100 numbers. So very simply you can remember this concept, very helpful. Up to 10th class all the students, somewhere the prime numbers will be helpful to find out the LCM, HCF, exponential form, prime factorization method, and pack of cards. You will be having all the number cards and even probability. So many ways will be useful to you. So try to remember. Prime number first letter is P. If you write the mirror image, that looks like 2. So prime numbers begin with 2, 3, 5, 7. Only every prime number should have 2 factors. 2 is the only special number which is even number as well as prime number. So you can divide all the numbers other than below 10. Below 10, 2, 3, 5, 7. After 10, you can divide into 3 families, 3 groups, and you can find out very easily. Very simple. So really, I can say 100% surely, nobody will explain this way. Nobody, you never seen this logic. So this is only my logic I created. So that is what I am very proud to say. So really this will helpful to you. Okay, hope you enjoyed the video. If you like it, please subscribe and share to your friends. And every day I want to make the videos, but due to heavy work and tuitions I am unable to do it. So thank you. Have a great day.